Yep. You have to shout timber. There's the tree. Is it going to come down? You know, I don't think it's dead. What do you think, Scotty?
I'm so excited. It's awesome.
That's a nice ratchet. See, why play Monopoly and eat mince pies when you could, yep, pull down a tree. Yay! Ooh. He got the obelisk. Look at Mum. Look at Mum. Mummy got the obelisk. Oh, Mum. Do you know what? That's managed the curse of your ex-husband. Alright? That was put in by you and G-Pa. And look, now. Look, it's like a flat top. It's more modern. It's alright, Mum.
I have to say, Jules, your son is a very good aim.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see if they can get it back up. This will be a miracle. If not, I could always carve it.
You'll never get it.
Go on. 1, 2, 3. Hi ho.
To me.
Hi ho.
To me. To you. To me.
To you
ready? Get it on the edge. And then push it.
No, it's gonna fall down.
Perfect. Hold it there.
It's modern art. It's modern art. You've made a triptych.
Right. I think he chipped it. I'm going to hold this side.
Right.
Yeah.
This is a wobbly one.
You might need to climb up.
Use the elevator.
No, we'll push it
No,
that
you
way.
push towards me, and then I'll push it up.
To me, to you.
But before that,
Come down.
Do you want some help?
Now, doesn't it? Oh, where's the wheel bit?
Max, what did you think of the tree coming down? Do you think Uncle X did a good job?
Do you think Lala's
Yeah,
pleased?
the jury's out. Sophie, what did you think about the tree? Good.
I almost wet myself laughing, it was so funny.
It was that good, yeah.
Yeah.
Look, Lala. Is that the right way round?
No.
We are not amused.
Don't worry.
Lala's face. Look. Oh, it's so funny. Look.
I like my dead trees. You know, if you take down all the dead trees here, there'll be nothing left. And I don't.
It fell smack on the obelisk.
yeah. Right.
We do 3 cheers for Uncle X.
Let's say it was the worst that could happen.
3 cheers for Uncle X. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Should we get it straight?
And one for the obelisk.
Hey!
It doesn't look like it matches. I think you need to turn it round. Oh, fun on the farm at Christmas. What do you say, sweetie?
That's good.